The term Min Buri often refers to the Min Buri district, Ket in Bangkok, which is geographically distinct from Non Thiaburi. However, these two areas are now directly connected by the MRT Pink Line, which travels between Mr. T Min Buri and MRT Non Thiaburi Civic Center in approximately 28 minutes. Min Buri highlights East Bangkok. Min Buri is known as the City of Fish and offers a more authentic local Thai experience compared to central Bangkok. A massive, historic, traditional market selling fresh produce, street food, and Islamic goods due to the area's large Muslim population. Monorail station, Min Buri, Bangkok, a massive, historic, traditional market selling fresh produce, street food, and Islamic goods due to the area's large Muslim population. Hours: open daily, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Image of Kwanreum Floating Market. Kwanreum Floating Market. Floating Market. Closed. Min Buri, Bangkok, a popular weekend destination featuring traditional boat life and religious sites like Wat, Bang, Peng, Thai. Image of Prakai Kaf Cuisine. Prakai Kaf Cuisine. Open. Min Buri, Bangkok, a scenic waterfall-themed cafe located behind the Chow.com tree market, popular for photography. Safari World. Open. Klong, Samwa, Bangkok, a major wildlife park and family attraction located nearby. Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless you.